Hello everyone, I am Purnika and welcome back to Sai Mother Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the job notification which is located in our Telangana state. So, the job notification is from Ramagundam Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited and the recruitment is for experienced professionals. And the vacancies for General Manager, it is 1, and for Chemical Engineering, it is for Assistant Manager, it is 2. Assistant Manager, it is a total of 5. For Deputy Manager, a total of 2. For Manager, a total of 1. For Chief Manager, a total of 1. And for Deputy General Manager, the total is 1 vacancy. And for Mechanical, the Assistant Manager post contains 2 vacancies and Manager post contains 1 vacancy. And for Instrumentation, the Deputy Manager post contains 2 vacancies and for Senior Manager contains 1 vacancy and for Deputy General Manager also contains 1 vacancy. And for Civil, for Chief Manager, the vacancy is only 1 and for Assistant Manager in Chemical Lab, the vacancies is 2. And for Information Technology, for Assistant Manager, the vacancy is 1. Next, the pays and perks. For Assistant Manager, the pay ranges from 50,000 to 1,60,000. For Deputy Manager, the pay is from 60,000 to 1,80,000. For Manager, the pay is from 70,000 to 2 lakh. For Senior Manager, it is 80,000 to 2,20,000. For Chief Manager, it is 90,000 to 2,40,000. For Deputy General Manager, it is 1 lakh to 2,60,000. And for General Manager, it is 1,20,000 to 2,80,000. And the CTC is for Assistant Manager, it is 17.4 lakh per annum. And for Deputy Manager, it is 20.88 lakh per annum. For Manager, it is 24.36 lakh per annum. And for Senior Manager, it is 27.84 lakh per annum. And for Chief Manager, it is 31.32 lakh per annum. And for Deputy General Manager, it is 34.80 lakh per annum. And for General Manager, it is 41,76,000 per annum. Next is the essential qualification and the eligibility criteria. The name of the post is General Manager and the degree is Chemical or Mechanical Engineering or Technology. And the domain, the experience should be in process of operations and maintenance. And the minimum years of age experience required is 26. And for Chemical, for Deputy Manager post, the maximum age limit is 40. Deputy Manager, it is 40. Manager, it is 45. Chief Manager, it is 50. And Deputy General Manager, it is 50. And the essential qualification is Bachelor degree in Chemical Engineering or Technology. And you should also have the same experience. For Assistant Manager, it is 4. For Deputy Manager, it is 8. For Manager, it is 12. For Chief Manager, it is 20. And for Deputy General Manager, it is 23 years of experience in the relevant field. Next is the Mechanical Engineering. And for it, the Assistant Manager, the maximum age limit is 40 years. And for Manager, the maximum age limit is 45 years. And the experience for Assistant Manager, it is 4 years. And for Manager, it is 12 years. And the relevant education qualification is BE or BTech in Mechanical Engineering. And same applies for Instrumentation, which is relevant, which is in Electronics and Instrumentation is the main qualification. And for Deputy Manager, the maximum age limit is 40 years. For Senior Manager, the maximum age limit is 45 years. And for Deputy General Manager, the maximum age limit is 50 years. And the experience required in the relevant field is for Deputy Manager, it is 8 years. For Senior Manager, it is 16 years. And for Deputy General Manager, it is 23 years. And for Civil, for Chief Engineer, the maximum age is 50 years. And the experience required in the relevant field is 20 years. And for Information Technology, for Assistant Manager post, the maximum age limit is 40 years and the experience required in the relevant field is 4 years. And this is the pay scale. Pay scale we have already seen, and the cutoff date is that the education qualification and experience shall be, the cutoff date is 15th of January 2026, and relaxations is as per the GOI rules. Application fee, which is a non-refundable fee plus additional bank processing charges if any are. For E5 to E8 pay scale it is 1000 rupees, and for E2 to E4 pay scale it is 700 rupees. And the applications are started on 17th of December 2025 from 8 hours, which is morning 8 a.m. to 15th of January 2026 up to 5 p.m. And selection process is based on your education qualifications. It is a direct interview. For more such job notifications, please subscribe to our channel, which is Sai Medha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad, and Space Engineering Academy. This particular PDF, which contains the job notification, will be posted in our Telegram channel, Space Engineering Academy. Please do follow for all the job notifications, which is mentioned in our YouTube channel. Please like our video, share to your friends and family, and comment in our comment section if you have any queries. Thank you.